Hello friends, myself Muhammad Fahim Hassan and you are watching FineGap YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you how you can create an emulator in your Android Studio. So let's start. First of all, you have to open Android Virtual Device Manager. You can click AVD Manager by using this icon or using this option AVD Manager. You can see that a pop-up menu has been appeared. Now you have to click on Create Virtual Device. Here you have to select your category. I'm going to create my AVD device for my phone, and here you can see that there are multiple options of phones available. So these are different type of devices with different type of screen sizes and also different type of screen resolutions. So I'm going to select Pixel 4, click on next button, and here you have to select which operating system you want to install on your Android emulator device. So I am going to select Oreo. You have to click on download. So you can see that your download have been started. You have to wait a little bit because this downloading will depend on your internet speed. This is 723 MB. Some devices are will be of 1 GB or maybe 1.5 GB. It will depend on your which operating system and which device you have been selected. So I'm going to pause the video. Whenever it will complete, I will come back. So guys, you can see that our Android virtual device have been installed successfully. You have to click finish button, and now you have to click next. I hope that you are a beginner. That's why you are watching this video, how to install Android virtual device on your Android Studio. So you don't need to change any of these settings, just remain that as it is. You can change your device name using this. I am going to remain this as a default. You have to select your default startup orientation. When you will run your device, which orientation you want to your app will be. So I'm going to take his portrait, and now you have to click on finish button. You can see that Pixel 4 API 29.2 has been created successfully. Now when you have to run your app on your this AVD, select this device and click on run button. Then your Android virtual device will be started automatically. I hope that this video will be helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask us in the comment section. We will try to answer your question. And please subscribe to our YouTube channel for our regular videos. And finally, thanks for watching.